Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start immediately by making sure you're on an administrator account and you've saved any open files. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter to load the tool. Locate the Bluetooth category and expand it so you can see your adapter. You're doing this to identify the exact device name and current driver provider. Make a mental note or a quick screenshot so you know which entry to remove later. Don't skip this step because it prevents uninstalling the wrong device. Now right-click the Bluetooth adapter entry and choose Uninstall Device. If a checkbox says Delete the driver software for this device, check it to remove the old package. This forces Windows to download a fresh copy later. Confirm the uninstall and watch the device disappear from the list. Next, restart Windows. This ensures leftover services stop and the system clears cached files. Restarting is important because it lets Windows prepare to install a clean driver on the next boot. After reboot, open Device Manager and choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will attempt to reinstall a driver automatically. If the generic driver doesn't restore full functionality, download the latest driver from your PC or adapter manufacturer and install it. Make sure to pick the correct model and Windows 11 x64 or x86 build. Once installed, pair a Bluetooth device to verify operation and confirm the Bluetooth support service is running. If it fails, try reinstalling the driver in safe mode as a key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.